Welcome back to my channel, guys. As you can see, today marks 1 year since I did the big chop. I have a video on my YouTube channel of me cutting my hair. It was exactly 1 year ago, so I decided that I'm going to show you guys what my hair is like. Alright, so this is freshly washed hair. No products at all are in my hair. I don't know if it's clear on camera. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like. It's very thick for sure. And yeah, this is how long it is after a year. I have some twists at the back that survived the wash, but of course the top got loose. I'm also going to be cutting my ends. This will be my first attempt at a twist out, so hopefully it turns out well. Here's what I'll be using today. Creme Nature Coconut Milk Hydrating Curling Cream. And I have the curl repair leave-in, and this is not my first time using this one. This is my first time using the curling cream, but I love this and it's so thick. I really love this and my hair loves it. It makes my hair really soft and nice. And I have the good old regular Blue Magic hair food hair oil that has wheat germ oil and coconut oil, prevents hair breakage and for dry brittle hair. Oh yeah. And I also bought some gel just in case. I didn't want to buy the big thing because, you know, I'm always hearing that the eco gel leaves the white residue, so I'm just going to test this out on some sections, or I just put it on my ends. Anyways guys, stay tuned. No, I'm cutting my hair. So I'm going to be cutting off some of my ends, as you can see. Let me see if I can see them. I just feel like these can really get a trim, to be honest. I cut probably 3 inches off my hair like last month, so I feel like I still have bad ends, so I'm just going to slightly trim. I'm just going to go across like so. Boom. So this much off, not bad. I really genuinely feel like I have bad ends, so I keep on cutting my hair. I don't even know if I'm doing it well. First product I'm putting in my hair is the curl repair leave-in coconut cream, which I showed you guys before. And the consistency is really, as you can see, I'm almost at the bottom. It's really good. It's very thick. I love that. I love that it's super thick. Just like finger dabs. Run that through my hair. Apply some more. And my hair is damp, it's not fully dry, so that's good. Added moisture. I feel like I could just cut off all of this, to be honest, but I'll wait. So this is what my hair looks like with just the leave-in cream. Oops. Added in. Let's see. This is just the leave-in cream. So I'm going to detangle some more. Add a little bit of the oil. Added moisture, of course. Not a lot. Rub some on my scalp too. So this is the leave-in cream and the oil only in my hair. What I can say though for sure is I have a lot of shrinkage. A lot. But I don't ever wear my hair out. My hair is always in cornrows for my wigs or braids. So yeah, I'm going to add the hydrating curling cream and then I twist. So I'm adding some from root to end. And then I'm just going to twist this section. Alright, so just regular twist. Twist, 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 twist. And the ends. I'm going to dangle the ends. So yeah, this is what my ends look like. So I really do feel like they need a trim. So yeah, first twist down. Let's go. All right, natural hair. We're not going back to no cream hair. All right, so I'm adding the leave-in cream again from root to end. Adding some oil. To my hair, and then I'm adding the hydrating curling cream. And the consistency of the curling cream is very thick, so that's good. I like thick products. I tried Curl and it did nothing for my hair. Nothing. I literally had to just use it on my wigs. On my curly hair wigs. So I guess for my hair texture, that is a no-go. Alright, so I'm just going to do a regular twist again. As you can see, I have my first twist popping. Alright, so let's go. Regular twist. Also guys, comment and let me know what thick products you've been using, if you have my hair type, or if your hair actually works well with products that aren't thick. But for sure, the water products, they don't help me at all. I hate my ends. I can't wait to chop them off fully. Alright, so that's twist 2. I'm actually excited to see what it's gonna turn out like. So I have 3 twists down. Alright, so I'm just going to speed up the video guys, because this is going to take forever. So I'll be back when I'm done twisting my entire head. So stay tuned. Okay. Stiff way. Oh no, baby.
Yes, yes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Stiff what? Stiff what?
For real, stiff what?
Ooh, ooh. No what?
Stiff what?
Well.
No.
Yes.
Guys, so I finished twisting half of my head. So as you can see, this is what they're looking like so far. I'm trying it back. I'm a little fearful of the size. I don't know if they'll come out defined, but I'll of course let you guys know how that turned out. So I'm going to be doing this side and then I'll get back to you guys. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm completely done twisting my hair. As you can see, this is what it's looking like. Let me turn around. Yeah, I'm not sure how long this is going to take to dry. My concern is if I actually twisted them too big. I'm not sure. I'm actually not sure. So yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. My hair feels really moisturized and I'm super excited to see what the end result will be. So I'll do an updated video. I'm going to wear my hair like this for work tomorrow, and yeah, when I'm putting them out I'll just do a video on that. So there we go. Comment and let me know how I did and what products you actually use for your twist outs. So yeah. Hey guys, so this is my twist out. My curls are looking juicy, and yeah, this is my 1 year anniversary hair length. So I'm excited also to see where my hair is going to be at by December of this year, possibly maybe right here for the front part of my hair. Oh wait, actually no. Maybe here for the front part of my hair, so probably on my shoulders. So yeah guys, let me know what you think, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe guys, share, and thank you so much for all the love and the comments that you've been making so far. I see all of them and I appreciate it. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Bye. And that's just on period. Let's get it.
Day 4.
Welcome back to my channel guys. So I'm just going to be doing a quick video. I've had my hair, the twists in for about 3 or 4 days, but I'm taking them down. I'm getting ready for work, so I'm just going to jump right into the video. As you can see, the curls are still there. Not curls, the twists are still in. So hopefully the what do you call it? Hopefully the result is good, because I have work and yeah, they're making their debut today. So let's go. Also, I have some argan oil in my hands. I'm just opening up the twists. just opening them up. The plan was to stretch them, stretch the roots. I may or may not have time for it. Let's see. As you can tell, my hair shrinks a lot. So this is very different. Yeah, let's sweat. Hold on. So yeah, this is my hair after I take out the twist outs for after how much days? 3 or 4 days. If I have time, I'm going to stretch the roots. So yeah, this is how the back looks. I mean, I feel like I can possibly wear it like this without stretching it. I like length and stuff, but we'll see. I don't have the time though. Anyways, guys, this is my hair. Comment and let me know that it's type 4 hair. I'm just not sure which one. I'm going to say a mixture of A, B, and C, to be honest. Anyways, let me know if you like my result. I feel like a little kid. Alright, I'm off for work. Comment and let me know what you think of my results. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. And stay tuned for my next video. Bye. Anyways, guys, so I'm driving to work. And I just feel so... my head feels so light. I cannot believe that I'm like fully wearing my natural hair out. This is different. I was going to fluff it with the comb or, as I said, stretch the roots earlier, but I'm just going to leave that and let it stretch by the day. This is insane. This is insane. But yeah, I'm really pleased with the results. Even though my ends need cutting, they didn't turn out that bad. Really only used 3 products, so, and you're going to see all of that in the video, of course. So yeah, my hair feels very healthy and moisturized. It's bouncy, stiff wear, period. We ain't got time for that. I wear natural hair now for everything. What you doing now? I'm never creaming my hair again. I was telling my friend that yesterday and she was laughing at me, but I'm serious. I've discovered wigs, and I had good healthy cream hair as well, but the wigs do just the same. So why not just keep your natural hair and wear wigs? So yeah, I like my little mini thing. I really was going to just stretch the end so it could be longer like this, but I'm just going to leave it a little bit small. Anyways, guys, again, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. Comment and let me know if you have natural hair, what products you're using, what's working for you. As you can see, I'm fairly new.